And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Now if you go out and buy a GoPro of any model, only the Hero 7s, 5s, 6s, this is the Hero 7. This is the Hero 7 Black. Obviously all you get is the Hero 7 Black. There's no mounting points on the bottom, nothing on the top for putting microphones, or no hot shoe or anything like that. To help you along, GoPro supply this cage. Now the only thing wrong with this cage, alright, yes, you can mount it to various things with the GoPro type mount that you've got on the bottom, but there's no mounting points for microphones or anything, no hot shoe, no other screws or anything like that. And the other thing is that when you've got the GoPro in it, it's all locked down like so. If you want to charge it, you've either got to make sure you've removed the door before you put it in there, which then doesn't make it waterproof or weather resistant, or you've got to take it out the cage to charge it up. And as I say, there's no other mounting points on it, and it's not exactly the easiest thing to undo and get your GoPro back out again. So I thought, have a look for an alternative, and I found this. This was a cheap metal GoPro cage off Amazon. They're made under millions of different names. I'm not even sure what this one was, totally unbranded. So it came obviously with the main cage, that bit there. Back door for the cage, UV filter, 52mm lens cap, and a bag of bits and bobs, screws to screw this GoPro style mount onto, because on the bottom at the moment you've just got a 1/4-20 tripod mount, so I can put it straight on a tripod. Obviously then screw this on and you've got your GoPro style mount. All the screws for it, Allen key, and on the inside of this, I can show you here, there's a soft spacer there for your GoPro to slide on, and they give you some spares of that as well. So quite a nice package. So let's get it together. Cage, GoPro just drops straight in. Nice fit. It's got a cold shoe on the top, and as you can see, you can just open the actual little door while it's in the cage, so I can recharge it or transfer images to the computer without taking out the cage, or even put a monitor without taking it out the cage. You can still get to your power buttons and the shutter release. The screen's a little bit hidden, but not a lot, to be honest. And then you get a slide at the door, and the door slides on. That's right. There's a little ball bearing at the bottom. Clicks down. Now, the only disadvantage I found with this, well, it's not a disadvantage, but it's just an annoyance, when your GoPro's pushed right in, this door rattles. So if you're recording sound and this is on, say, your bike or your head or anything like that, you'll get that rattling noise. You can just push the GoPro back a little bit and it will tighten up that there. But I think what I'll probably do is put something in the cold shoe just to hold that down. But that's my only annoyance really. Then you've got UV filter if you want to put it on the front, and it's a 52mm, so you could get a 52mm variable ND filter, or a bigger one and then step down rings or step up rings, and you've got obviously a lens cap as well. It's really sturdily made. It's actually very good quality. And off Amazon this one cost me £12.99, so even if I didn't like it, it wasn't a big thing. But no, I think it's great. Certainly a lot more useful than the original cage, which really hasn't got anything going for it at all, apart from you get it with the GoPro, and as a first cage, yeah, it works. Whether it takes any different shots from it, if you dropped it in this, will the plastic absorb some of the drop, whereas the metal will transfer it to the GoPro? I don't know. I don't really plan on dropping it. We'll see. But yeah, as a cheap cage, I can highly recommend it. I'll put a link down below for this particular cage. I say it's just that rattly door. So I'm just going to find a way of stopping that rattling, either something in that cold shoe just to hold it down. But apart from that, no. Excellent. Highly recommend it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when more videos come out, hit that bell. So until next time, see you later.